3, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 1,000.
I bet you are thinking the same thing I am. This guy looks like he is auditioning for a dance team, right? But no, this is not a show. This is the exact moment his freedom starts to slip away, and the police are not looking for a superstar. And it all started right here.
Flagler County Sheriff's Office.
Yeah, right.
Can you go ahead and pull into that spot for me? 211 back. He's pulling to the spot. Can you 1065 428? 16 Echo Mike Yankee Charlie. Can you roll this window down for me?
Yeah. What did I do wrong?
Can you hand me the keys, please? Thank you, sir. All right. What's going on?
With?
You.
What do you mean what's going on?
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I just went out food. I'm coming to get ready to eat.
Getting ready to eat?
Yeah.
All right, you're like freaking out, it looks like.
No, the way I'm the driving?
Yeah.
No. This car, it's got a centrifugal, this car, it's automatic, but for some reason, I don't know why, sometimes if I hit it like the wrong way, it'll work and drive as if I'm in like 4 and 5. So I'll drive, next thing you know, it'll be fine, then I'll drop. But other than that, I'm good.
Okay.
It happens like, I don't know, maybe twice a week. I just went and got me done, what do you call it, Texas Roadhouse. So,
Texas Roadhouse?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, what on earth is he saying? An automatic transmission suddenly acting like a manual? That is the kind of excuse that would only fool a child. It is all just a pathetic attempt to justify his reckless behavior on the road.
Out back.
Okay.
But anyways.
Do you have any weapons or narcotics in the vehicle?
No, I have absolutely nothing.
Okay.
I'm good.
If you could just step out of the vehicle for me so I can speak to you out of the vehicle.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm trying to figure out why. I mean, yeah, I why I'm being asked a question.
Okay, I'll tell you. So the reason why for all of this is because we got numerous calls describing this vehicle, describing you, and then your driving pattern, which was a huge concern. We've been looking for you for quite a minute. Okay. And this was the last known area that we saw you.
Right.
And then I just so happened to see you fly past us.
No.
So that's why we're here.
Okay. The moral of the story is that I bought this car brand new on Saturday and probably at 9 o'clock in the morning. I'd say maybe Wednesday at 5 o'clock in the afternoon, if you sat next to me, it would sound like I'm driving a clutch at a red light.
Okay. So issues with
you'll see.
the motor or whatever.
Right.
But what about you driving all over the roadway, swerving into different lanes, almost hitting the curb, all of that?
I mean, I don't remember swerving and driving into the middle of the lanes.
You didn't almost strike anything or anyone?
No, absolutely not. I'm aware. I'm coherent. I mean, I'm competent. I know absolutely what's going on.
Nicholas hears the list of his dangerous driving, but stays in character. He denies everything and insists he is in total control. But talk is cheap, and the officer has one more way to find out the truth.
So, we'll fast forward through all this.
All right.
You understand our concern, correct?
No,
and
absolutely.
why we're out here?
I mean, yeah, absolutely. I would. It would be one thing that if you came up and questioned me, and I gave you absolutely the total opposite of your answers, then it would be like, okay, you know what? Look, 99.9% the accusations or whatever you got on the call that are made against him, we have to go full force. So you coming out and talking to me gives me an opportunity to explain to you, hey, look why.
So furthermore, I'd like to give you more opportunities. I'm now going to be conducting a DUI investigation.
Okay.
Are you willing to perform standardized field sobriety exercises?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah? Okay. Let's step over here. With your eyes only, don't move your head, follow this red light. Okay, do you understand?
Okay.
Don't move your head.
Okay.
Look straight.
All right.
Look straight.
Go ahead.
Don't move your head.
No, I don't think I'm doing it at all. I think I'm doing a pretty damn good job with my eyes looking just right at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't toe-to-toe straight, but your 9 was about as best as your 5, but I think that's about good you're going to get from me. I'll give you all the utmost honesty.
Okay.
1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 1,000. My mind. 7, 1,000, 8, 1,000, 9, 1,000, 10, 1,000, 12, 1,000, 11, 1,000, 13, 1,000.
Okay, you can stop. I don't want you to fall and hurt yourself.
Nicholas claims he is sober, but his body disagrees. That dance routine from earlier returns as he struggles to walk a straight line. The officer is not looking for a show. He is looking for the truth.
Oh man, please, why am I going to jail, please?
I'll explain it to you in a second.
Oh.
Put your hands together like you're praying.
No. You did anything now? Oh my God, man.
Stop moving. Put your hands together, closer together. There you go. You're being placed under arrest for DUI.
It's a DUI, ma'am.
Yeah.
There has to be some other reasons, please. I'm not DUI.
I think you're under the influence of some sort of narcotic.
The search of that neon Kia Soul uncovered a bottle filled with white powder, which later tested positive for fentanyl. This turned a bad night into a felony arrest for Nicholas LeBlanc. When we look at his record, we see a pattern that goes back to 2009. Grand theft, cocaine, methamphetamine, and firearm possession. He had only been a free man for 4 months before this encounter. This case gives us a unique look at a survival mechanism. Nicholas used extreme politeness and a technical excuse as a last-ditch effort to manipulate the situation. He was gambling that the officer would trust his words over his shaky balance. It is a tragic reminder that some people do not learn from the system. They only learn how to navigate it. It makes you wonder, after a decade of the same mistakes, do you think he deserves another chance? Or is the risk to the community just too high? Tell us what you think in the comments below. We read every single one of them. If you found this breakdown helpful, please subscribe to Blue Line Raw to see more cases like this one. We want to thank you for spending your time with us today. We truly appreciate your support and your interest in these stories. Stay safe out there and have a great day. We will see you in the next video.